Interior designers, AI isn't replacing you, but designers using AI are replacing those who don't. In my last video, I shared 5 essential AI tools every interior designer should be using. And while they all have their strengths, the one that sparked the most interest was Midjourney. Since launching in 2022, Midjourney has evolved in extraordinary ways. Each version has introduced major improvements in detail, realism, and usability. And just a few days ago, Midjourney version 7 was released. The image quality, stunning. The realism, incredibly impressive. It's now more consistent, flexible, and usable for interior design than ever before. And the best part? You don't need to be technical. No coding, no complex prompts, just your ideas, turned into images in seconds. If you've been curious, but a bit overwhelmed, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 6 practical ways you can use Midjourney as an interior designer, from creating mood boards and testing ideas, to presenting concepts, and even turning your sketches into fully rendered visuals, without needing to be tech savvy. Let's get started. So what is Midjourney exactly? Midjourney is an AI image generation tool that transforms simple written prompts into visually stunning, highly detailed images. You just type a description, and within seconds, it gives you a set of beautiful, design-driven visuals. It's not a 3D modeling tool or Photoshop replacement. Think of it more like a hyper-intelligent sketchpad that allows you to visualize ideas fast, without needing to draw or build anything yourself. Midjourney first appeared in 2022. With each version, V1, V2, V3, and so on, the image quality kept improving. By version 5 and 6, the results were starting to feel genuinely useful. Better lighting behavior, more accurate material textures, believable proportions, and much more refined composition. And now, with version 7 finally released, we're seeing a huge leap in quality. The visuals are sharper, more consistent, and surprisingly realistic. Details like shadows, surfaces, and spatial layout have become more dependable, which is essential when you're using these visuals to communicate design intent. For interior designers, that means you can now visualize your ideas, test concepts, build client-ready images, and explore new design styles, all in minutes, not hours. And the best part? You don't need to be technical, no coding, no complicated workflows, just a few descriptive words, and Midjourney does the rest. All right, let's go through 6 clear ways Midjourney can support your design workflow. First, mood boards. They're essential for shaping the direction of a project and aligning with a client. But traditionally, creating a mood board can be really time-consuming. You're digging through Pinterest, collecting references, downloading images, and trying to piece everything together. Sometimes spending hours just to get one board that, sort of, captures the look you had in mind. Now, compare that to Midjourney. With just a few words, Midjourney gives you a cohesive visual, instantly. You can refine it, regenerate new versions, or shift direction entirely in seconds. You're going from 2 to 3 hours of manual sourcing to just 5 to 10 minutes. It's not only faster, it puts you in complete control of the visual style, instead of relying on what's already out there. Now let me show you just how quick and easy it is to create a mood board using Midjourney. I'm entering a prompt to create a coastal-style bedroom. If you already have a clear vision in mind, you can write a detailed description like I do. But even a simple prompt like a coastal-style bedroom professional mood board will do the trick. It doesn't need to be perfect. You're just describing the mood or feel you want to capture. Hit the enter and, in just a few seconds, Midjourney gives me 4 beautiful, cohesive images. These visuals are completely unique, tailored to my vision, and perfect for setting the mood of a project. This is how I now build mood boards in minutes, not hours. And honestly, once you try it, it's hard to go back. Let's go next. Sometimes a client isn't sure whether they want modern rustic or contemporary minimalism. Instead of developing 2 entire concept boards manually, use Midjourney to generate both directions side by side. You can use simple prompts to get quick visuals, which helps you test ideas with the client and gather faster approvals. It also gives your clients more confidence because they can actually see where you're heading, even in those early stages. The third way Midjourney can be incredibly useful is for creating flat lay material boards before you commit to sourcing any physical samples. We all know how tricky it can be to imagine how certain finishes will work together. Normally, you'd be ordering samples, waiting days, and laying them out manually. But with Midjourney, you can test the entire combination in seconds. Just describe the materials you're considering. This gives you a clear visual direction and helps you refine your concept before chasing down swatches or requesting showroom visits. And beyond just creativity, it also saves a huge amount of time. Creating a traditional material board can easily take 2 to 3 hours, sometimes even longer. With Midjourney, you can generate a high-quality material board in under 15 minutes. That's a massive time saving, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or working to tight client deadlines. It's not just faster, it's also less wasteful, more efficient, and a great way to test ideas visually before you commit to sourcing real materials. Let's test it together. Here, I'm entering a prompt to create a boho-style living room material board. When it comes to generating flat lay material board, I recommend making your prompt as detailed as possible. And always include the phrase professional interior design flat lay material board to guide the AI in the right direction. And here you go, Midjourney generated stunning material boards. Next. When you're presenting concepts to clients, you want visuals that tell the story. But not every designer has time to produce photorealistic renderings at the concept stage. Midjourney helps fill that gap. You can use it to build visuals that give a sense of the design vision without the time investment of a full render. Whether you're testing layout ideas, material palettes, or styling concepts, the results look polished and professional, allowing you to move faster without compromising the quality of your presentation. Let me show you some examples. These are all examples of what's possible with Midjourney. And yes, every single one of them was generated with just a text prompt. What makes this tool so powerful for interior designers is the level of control and flexibility you have. You can refine the results, remove certain items, adjust the camera angle, even change the lighting, from soft morning light to dramatic evening shadows. There's almost no limit to how much you can customize and explore. And what used to take hours or days can now be done in minutes, right at the concept stage. Next. Midjourney is brilliant for boosting your creativity. You can explore ideas you wouldn't normally have time to develop, test unusual combinations, experiment with historical styles, or invent imagined interiors for your portfolio. It's like having a visual sketchbook for your imagination. Let's experiment one together. We're going to take 2 completely different interior styles, let's say Scandinavian and industrial, and combine them into a single living room concept using Midjourney. I'm going to enter very simple prompt, Scandinavian and industrial style living room, light oak wood, concrete walls, black steel accents, minimalist layout, cozy textures, natural lighting. See how it turns out? This is the kind of creative exploration that used to take hours of trial and error. Now you can do it in minutes and get inspired in ways you never expected. And finally, this one might blow your mind. You can take a rough hand sketch or even a simple 3D model you've created in SketchUp or another software and turn it into a rendered visual with just a few clicks. You don't need to spend hours or even days waiting for traditional rendering anymore. Midjourney gives you a shortcut to communicate your ideas quickly and beautifully. So, what do you think? Has Midjourney sparked a few ideas for how you might use it in your own design workflow? Let me know in the comments. What feature or use case are you most excited to try? Or if you're already using it, how has it changed your process? Just remember, Midjourney isn't here to replace your creativity or technical skills. It's here to enhance them. It's a tool that gives you speed, flexibility, and a visual edge in your design process. Whether you're developing mood boards, refining your style, or just exploring creatively, it helps you do more faster and with far less friction. And with version 7 is here now, offering even higher quality results. This tool is only getting better for professionals like us. If you'd like to go further, if you want to learn how to write better prompts, build client-ready concept boards, and integrate Midjourney into your workflow, I've created a full course designed specifically for interior designers. Over 400 designers are learning with us and seeing real results. So come join us. You'll find the link down in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.